Okay po, so next workout natin, last sets na natin. So 3 exercise tayo. First natin, plank slide. Gagamit ulit tayo ng med ball, pero pwede rin mag-kettlebell. Mas mahirap nga lang siya. So yun, medicine ball na lang. Kasi magpa-plank tayo, tapos ipapass-pass natin na gano'n. So pakita natin, first exercise. So imagine, medicine ball. So plank position tayo. Feet hip width apart. Hands, elbows, shoulder aligned. Again. So pakita natin. Okay. Hindi nakaganon, hindi nakataas yung hips. Keep it lock. Okay. Firm. Tapos, slide tayo. So, let's go. Yan. From here, hawak, slide. Okay. Switch, that's 1. Alright. Switch. And then check, hindi masyadong gumagalaw yung hips. Okay? So every pass, controlled yung hips natin. Ito pala. Profile. Yan. So here, switch. So check, hindi gumagalaw masyado yung hips natin. Try to lock your knees. And switch. Okay po, so yun. Again, check in mind natin, check natin yung hips natin para mas na-workout natin yung core natin.